So finally Microsoft have released Windows 11, and you might be wondering, would you be able to upgrade your Windows 10 computer to Windows 11? Yes, you can, and it's a free upgrade. But there is a catch. This time Microsoft have released Windows 11 with a very specific hardware requirement that you need to have TPM version 2.0 enabled on your system hardware. If in case it is not enabled, you might not be able to install or upgrade your Windows 10 computer to Windows 11. So in this video, we're going to see how you can enable TPM so that once Windows 11 is available to install or upgrade, you would be able to do it without any hassles. Hi, my name is Vikas and welcome to One Byte. Let's get started. Now you need to make sure that you have TPM 2.0 enabled onto your computer, because if it is not there or it is not enabled, you would not be able to install Windows 11 because it's the minimum hardware requirement. Until Windows 10 or before any version of the Windows before Windows 10 did not had any such requirement, but yes, with Windows 11 it's mandatory that we have it enabled. Now you might be wondering, what is this TPM? TPM stands for Trusted Platform Module. Let me give you just a brief explanation what it does. So in case you want to encrypt the files on your hard drive, or you want to encrypt your hard drive altogether, you can use the TPM module. The system would be able to use the TPM module to generate a key pair, a security key pair, to encrypt the files of the hard drive on your computer. Now how do you find whether you have the TPM module installed on your computer or not? Let me show you. Just click on Start button and type in tpm.msc. This will open your TPM module window, and over there you will see the information whether it is installed or not. And if in case it is not installed, it will straight away say that the TPM module is not available. And if it is installed, it will give you the information about the TPM manufacturer and the version of the TPM that is enabled on your computer. Now it is very likely that this window says that there is no TPM module available on your computer, which might not be true, because most of the CPUs or the processors that was manufactured after 2018 had the TPM built in by default, and few of the processors before 2018 also had the TPM built in. So these kind of TPMs are called as FTPM, or Firmware Trusted Platform Module. And if you want to enable it, all you have to do is just shut down your computer and log into your BIOS. And in the BIOS, if you have an AMD based processor, you will see an option called as FTPM. And if in case it is an Intel processor, then you would see something as PTT, which is Platform Trust Technology. That's from the Intel. And you have to just enable it and restart your computer, and you have your TPM enabled computer up and running. This will meet the minimum hardware requirement for installing Windows 11 once it is released. Now what if I don't have this option available in my processor? My processor is pretty old, but I'm still using it because it is giving me just the right performance. But I want to enable and upgrade my computer to Windows 11. There is another TPM in the market that is available called as DTPM. That's discrete TPM. That's a chip-based TPM that you can install on the PCI header of your motherboard and have the TPM enabled. But please make sure that when you go and buy such TPM module, you make sure that it is compatible with your system hardware motherboard, because each manufacturer has a very specific requirement for the TPM which you can install and would be compatible with your motherboard. Now what if I don't have any of these two options available? My processor is pretty old and it does not have the FTPM option available, and the motherboard also does not have any specifications or any compatibility with the TPM module that you can physically install onto your computer. I have heard and read about there are some other workarounds that you can enable. I haven't gone through it. We'll have to wait for some time until the Windows 11 is released, and probably we can test out with the other possible options for the TPM to work onto our computer. Till then, keep watching our channel, and if you like the video, please hit that like button, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.